On today's video, we're going to repair this damaged ceiling. It got damaged because the roof is leaking. So we're going to go ahead and pull off all the wet drywall until we hit dry drywall. Then I'm going to cut out a section. It was 64 by 38, I believe. So now we're going to pull this insulation out, peek our head up in there. Okay, right here is where the water was coming in. It's right above where the ceiling was damaged. We have to get up to the roof and patch it up. Before we do any repairs to the ceiling, we need to repair the roof. Let's go up to the roof. Let's go see the patch. Okay, here's where we found the leak. Got it all patched up with some pookie and some mesh. Now, before you do any repairs to the ceiling, make sure you do a water test. You bring a water hose up here and run it for at least 30 minutes. But here in North Texas, we're expecting a lot of rain today. So we're gonna go ahead and do a real water test. Let's go downstairs and wait for the rain. It's raining pretty hard. Let's check out, see if it's leaking. Well, it looks pretty dry to me. So, let's go ahead and seal this baby up. Now, normally, I would just cut one piece 64 by 38, but since I don't have any help and I'm doing this solo, I cut the sheetrock in half to make it more manageable for me. Now I put these little 1x4s here in between where I'm gonna joint the sheetrock together so they'll be flush. I like using this spray adhesive here, so when I put my mesh tape on, it sticks to it, bonds to it a little easier. It doesn't slip on you. Okay, I'm using this facet mud, set 45. So I whip it up like mayonnaise, and then just fill in the seams. The smoother you put it on, the less sanding you have to do. This takes practice. I just built a little curtain around my patch job I'm gonna do, so we don't get a lot of this overspray on this TVs and stuff like that. So we'll let that dry a little bit, and what we're gonna use is I'm gonna use this Homex Orange Peel texture. We're gonna try to match up that texture right there. So, take a look at this. You got three different sizes here. Move that little tab, and right here it got your adjustments. See, on this side it says fine, other side's heavy. So you just set your adjustment to where your texture is on your wall. I'm gonna go like medium here. Try to get this texture here. Let's go ahead. You have to shake this for at least 1 minute. Okay, there it is there. It's ready for some paint and primer. Let's go ahead and do that. There it is there. Complete. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and like, and comment down below.